All of you are aware how the people of Panjim are suffering. Not only Panjim, anybody who comes to the capital city is suffering because of parking problem. You know the chaos happening in the capital city. When I took over 4.5 months back, along with my commissioner and myself, we had 2 meetings with the North Goa collector, Mr. Meervardhan, and the SP North, Mr. Singh. It took us almost 2.5–3 months to decide on the pay parking scheme. Finally, it was decided that we should have the entire 18 June Road and the Church Square as pay parking to start with for the capital city of Panjim. A fortnight back, the collector Meervardhan submitted the pay parking file to the DMA, Mr. Elvis Gomes. Mr. Elvis Gomes, in turn, sent the file to his boss, Urban Secretary Mr. Parimal Rai. Mr. Parimal Rai, I am given to understand, has put some noting that he had some problem in Delhi when he was the commissioner or something like that, and that it will be little difficult to start the pay parking. With his remark, he put the file to the Deputy Chief Minister, who is the Urban Development Minister, and finally to our MLA of Panjim and the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Manohar Parrikar. It is shocking to note that the MLA of Panjim, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, has put a dissenting note on the file saying, keep this file in abeyance till the assembly is over. I want to ask Mr. Manohar Parrikar and his voters of Panjim, of whom is he scared of to start this pay parking scheme? Is he scared of the few Baniyas? Because BJP is known as the Baniyar party. Is he scared of a few traders? It is known as the traders party. When my people are suffering day in, day out, not double but triple parking, the MLA doesn't care for his voters to say that he wait till the assembly is over? Of whom is he scared? When he is the Home Minister, when he has got the police under him, he could have given me the police and I could have started the pay parking scheme. He could have said, yes, I agree. And he could have told the collector, go for notification. Why has he not done that? I want to remind the people of Panjim, for 18 years you all have voted for this gentleman. He doesn't care for you all. I am sitting here to do something for Panjim. I don't mind leaving the chair tomorrow, but I want to do something for the people of Panjim. I love them, they love me. But the MLA of Panjim doesn't love his people. I want media people to go and ask him, why did he put a noting to wait till the assembly session is over? When the assembly session is over, he will say, wait till the budget is over. And then afterwards, when the Lok Sabha election comes, he'll say that it is code of conduct. Unless he doesn't want that the mayor should act, he must be feeling that the mayor will get credit. I am not interested in credit. I have been given a specific job as a mayor and I want to do that. I want to satisfy my people who have been suffering day in, day out. People's scooters have been just locked and taken away by the police. Why? Because there's no place left for parking. I really don't understand why the Chief Minister had to this thing and why the IAS officers, I am given to understand IAS officers of Goa, they say, any file come, I agree. IAS officers, noting, I agree. Why they don't have the guts to say, no, we don't agree, this pay parking should be done? Let other IAS officers in other parts of the state of India do it. Why only in Goa, the IAS officers don't put their head up and say yes, this pay parking should be done, and don't say I just agree. It's become a joke in town of IAS, I agree. I want to make it loud and clear that this pay parking has to be done immediately. The Chief Minister should immediately revoke his comments on the file and tell the collector, go in for notification and we will afterwards tender it. I want to do the same thing what has happened in Pato. See the peace and serenity in Pato now. Discipline. Why it can't happen in Panjim? Why the MLA is scared of whom? I want to ask the MLA to the media, of whom is he scared of? He has sabotaged this pay parking even in the past when other mayors were there. Easy for the people of Panjim or easy for a few businessmen of Panjim? To your media, I want to tell again that 4.5 months I have not received 1 rupee from the government of Goa. In spite of that, you will see that Panjim is clean, chakachak. I am personally supervising. I am asking my friends to give me workers, and with the municipal workers, I have brought trucks, sponsored trucks. I have brought wheat cutting machines sponsored. I have brought pruners. I have brought so many things sponsored because the government of Goa is not supporting me. I am not bothered. I fear only the Lord. I don't fear men. Let me make it loud and clear to the Chief Minister of Goa. Whether you give or not, I will see and work for Panjim city to keep clean and green. I have got friends throughout the world who are ready to help me. I have got kept it close to my chest. I know what is my next move. Yes. You know, the government of Goa went to Supreme Court for so many other things. Everything has been struck down by the Supreme Court. Got a point? They have got legal advice by the AGs and big things. Everything is being scuttled. I have written n number of letters to the Chief Minister. Number 1, give CCP Junta go down. Give CCP PWD garage. Give CCP Masandamorin ground, so that we can have pay parking, multi parking system.